evening, everyone. Welcome to our Friends Conference. We have here Thea Gagate, Coach Jerry Lee, and Claude Montenegro of the Zeus Coffee Thunderbirds, who won in 4 sets against the Capital One Solar Spikers. Coach, congratulations on this win. Now in the quarterfinals, what can you say about how the team performed in this Capital One?
We got the game, so I'm very happy. And yun nga, thankful sa lahat ng players who gave their all. So, marami pang i-work on, pero sa ngayon, happy na lang muna kami.
Thank you, Coach. And our best player of the game, Don Montenegro. Well, sa game nito, you had 24 excellent sets and 6 points. So, just as team captain lang din, how proud are you of how the team performed tonight? And yun nga, nabuhan niyo yung slot sa quarterfinals.
Same lang kay Coach. Super happy ako and proud ako kasi nga lahat naman naghirap para makarating dito. And also, lahat talaga nag-contribute kanina. And ayun, yun lang.
Thank you. And Thea, in this game, you had 13 points and 4 blocks. This is your first conference talaga with Zeus, and ayun nga, nasa quarterfinals na kayo. So, what can you just say about how yung journey ng Zeus ngayon from the beginning and now na papunta na kayo sa quarterfinals?
Siyempre, happy ako sa performance namin. Although madami kaming paghihirap sa conference na to, pero at least naging learning experience para sa amin, sa bawat isa. And excited lang din ako sa quarterfinals kasi dun pa lang magsisimula yung totoong laban.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
For Gloan, buong play-in, naging maganda yung pinakita mo. Kumbaga sa'yo, ano lang yung naging mindset mo? Ngayong ditong nagka-second chance kayo kahit hindi nyo nakuha ng qualifying round.
Well, lahat naman talaga gusto makapasok sa play-ins eh. And also, kumuha ko ng motivation sa mga teammates ko kasi nakikita kong gusto din nila. So ako, ginagawa ko talaga yung best ko na maayos ko yung trabaho ko para sa team.
Sa'yo, Thea, personally, ano lang pakiramdam? Kasi first conference ko to with Zeus and natulungan mo silang makuha yung first playoffs nila sa PBL.
Ayun, thankful talaga ako sa bawat isa, lalo sa teammates, coaches, and sa management namin kasi hindi sila nagsasawa na tulungan kami kasi alam namin na fresh pa lang kami na team and ngayon pa lang talaga kami nag-gel. So, happy lang ako.
Coach, before the conference started when you acquired players like Jovelyn, Chai, and also Thea, parang did you expect po that Zeus Coffee will right away be a playoff contender or mas slow and steady po yung naging view niyo with the new pieces that you had for the team?
Step by step. So, when we got them, we needed to see kung ano yung ibibigay nila sa team. Hopefully, sabi ko nga, kung merong sasalo ng bola, and then may second ball, then may third ball. So, marami pa kaming i-work on. Pero, ayan, slowly nagpo-fall into place yung mga pieces na kailangan namin.
For Thea and Claude bilang first quarterfinals appearance, playoffs appearance, yung approach niyo ba will be more on nothing to lose, everything to gain, or leaning towards nandito na tayo, go all the way to the new atake niyo against Petrobras?
Well, ako, laban na talaga. Like, hindi naman, yun nga, sabi ko kanina, hindi naman madali yung pinagdaanan namin na situation ngayon. So, kailangan na namin ibigay lahat ng efforts, lahat ng paghihirap namin sa training, and application talaga sa mga natutunan namin sa qualifying rounds.
Ako for me, laban talaga. Kasi ito yung gusto namin eh. Kaya nga kami nandito kasi para lumaban and ipakita sa lahat yung skills namin. And ayun, yun lang.
Thea, first overall pick, tapos first win in Zeus, and then now first playoff appearance on team. Siguro, how are you taking in all of this parang up and down conference you guys have had, tapos ngayon umabot na kayo sa playoffs?
Well, palagi lang naman akong nag-stay present. Ayoko masyadong mag-jump into the future agad kasi bilog naman yung bola. So, lahat ng teams talaga palaban, like pro league na to. So, at least ngayon, unti-unti na namin talagang sinusolid yung core namin and excited lang talaga ako sa upcoming games.
Coach, in the quarterfinals, going up against Petrogas, so what's going to be the mindset of the team na lang heading into the best of 3 series?
Kailangan nung discipline eh. So we have to execute kasi yun na nga pagka ganitong medyo higher level na or quarterfinals nga I should say, hindi pa pwedeng ma-error kami. Kailangan nag-execute kami ng mga gusto namin gawin. We have to, kumbaga, impose our will, diba? Kaysa the other way around. So, yun.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Claude. Thank you, Kaya.
Thank you po.